dear students, in your previous class I explained you a computer system and its working and its classification. Now today I'll explain you few more important terms, that is hardware and software and their classification. Hardware, as you know, all electrical and electronic components of a computer system is termed as hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. are hardware. Now, further hardware is divided into two categories, that is input device and output device. Input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, barcode reader, scanner, magnetic ink character reader, optical character reader, optical mark reader, card reader, etc. Keyboard and mouse, all of you have seen, and I think I don't have to explain it. Joystick is used for gaming, for cursor movement. Barcode reader is used for reading the barcode on a product. You have seen in departmental store. Scanner is also an input device which is used to get the soft copy of any image and document on computer screen. Magnetic ink character reader is a device which is used to read special code written with a special magnetic ink. Generally, it is used in bank checks. Optical character reader is another device, another input device which is used to read handwritten text. Optical mark reader is another input device which is used to read OMR sheet, or you can say which is used to evaluate OMR sheet. All of you have used in Olympiad exams OMR sheet. So OMR device is used to evaluate those sheets. Card reader is another device which is used to read different types of cards like smart card, magnetic card, etc. Further, output devices. These are the devices which are used for getting output, that is printer, plotter, braille printer, liquid crystal display projector. Printer is used to get the hard copy of our output. Plotter is another kind of printer which is used for large sheet of graphical output. Braille computer gives you output in the form of hard copy but in dotted form. Liquid crystal display projector is used to display the output on large screen. Now, software, it is a series of coded instructions to perform a specific task, and further it is classified two categories into two categories, that is system software and application software. System software further classified into 5 operating system software: assembler, compiler, interpreter, driver. Operating system is must to have in a computer system as it controls all input output tasks of a computer system. For example, Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, these are example of operating system software. Assembler is a special translator which is used to translate assembly language into machine language, as computer understands only machine language. Compiler and interpreter is another type of translator which are used to translate high level language code into machine language. Compiler is faster than the interpreter. Compiler checks the entire program in one go, whereas interpreter translates line by line. Driver is a special type of software which introduces any new device to a computer system. Now we come to application software. Further, application software is divided into two types: packages and utility software. Packages are those special software which are used for a specific purpose. For example, word processing software, spreadsheet software, database software, all these comes under packages. Utility software is another software which is used for maintenance of computer. For example, antivirus software which is used to remove virus from system, then backup software which is used to take backup of our important data, etc. Thank you, students.